Hi, everyone. This is Immigration Attorney John Khosravi. Thank you for joining the Immigration Lawyers Toolbox. This is an attempt for practitioners, just to give you a heads up. 9 FAM 302.8 has been published by the Foreign Affairs Manual section by the Department of State. In it, it goes into their analysis of the public charge. Luckily, it's not as bad as from I-944 and the USCIS version. Less documentation, but they have created Form DS-5540, which goes over some of the public charge situations like health insurance and how much money you make and liabilities as well, but not as hardcore. A lot of it is going to be the additional information in support of it that you provide. And the things that they're going to look at are things like age, health insurance, ability to buy health insurance, or if you're too young or too old to work, or if you're too young or too sickly to work. Those are factors. The family size of the people coming over. So, for example, if you're applying for your brother, that's easier. But if your brother is there and his spouse and 5 kids, it's harder. Education, skills, having documentation of that, and assets and financial status are important. They're looking for 250% of the federal poverty guideline for the foreign person's income, which who knows is going to work. If it comes to the United States, it's not going to be there. But if they have property that gets income, for example, that could be a positive factor, or they can use the asset-based 5 times formula. But again, they're doing 250% as opposed to 125, 150%, whatever it is for the I-864P. So be mindful of that. And again, this is not again, but this is important. It affects people who have completed National Visa Center processing but have not had their interviews yet. So if you have a case coming up next week, this will affect you as to how it looks in the FAM. We'll see how it actually plays out. There's a lawsuit against or whatever, but it looks like it's going to affect everyone going forward. So be prepared for this situation. It's going to be hitting a lot of us, but thankfully consular processing doesn't look as bad. It's a totality of the circumstances situation. And if the person shows they're going to come and work in the United States, they have money, education, something like that, it's not going to be as difficult. So we'll see how it works out. It plays out in reality. I'll keep you all posted through these videos on my various streams and different mail lists and all that kind of stuff. Hope that information helped. Until next one, have a good one.